All right, fam. Are y'all ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! You're like, Rosie, that's just a square box. Much, much more. All right, family. As y'all know, when it starts to get cooler, I want to use the truck to do some traveling in where we're not pulling the RV. Say we want to go to Mississippi and we have a room. Or say we want to go to Georgia, but we want to take 2 days to get there. We're going to stop in a rest area and we'll, rest for the night, maybe 4 or 5 hours. Fitzgerald will be traveling with us. He refuses to be separated from his mom. So what I decided to do was make a dog bed, if you will, that's just wide enough, just long enough to accommodate Fitzgerald. Now, when we put padding on top of this, we're going to put padding right here. It's going to bring it up to almost the same level as our bed, which is our twin bed. If you're new to the channel, this bed is electric. It raises, the head raises, the bottom raises, the feet raise, the whole 9 yards. First time on YouTube, fam. Boom. Now, what makes this really unique is not just a dog box. Y'all stand by. All right, fam. Its second purpose, if Fitzgerald is not with us, or if we're already, even if we're in the RV and we're using the truck for something separate, boom. It becomes a step up. Get right in the truck, boom. Now, here's where it gets really unique, fam. I'm getting ready to take this fish and cut it up and make some cut bait out of it. But I don't have a cutting table. I can pull out my drawer and use my little table that comes in and out, but we didn't want to do that. So this is what we did. Bam, check it out. Bam. Y'all ain't even ready. Now, I probably could have made this a little more symmetrical for the wheel well, but y'all know I have limited carpenter skills, so I did what I had to do. But bam, come on, 3 in 1. Mic drop. So now, the only thing we got left to do is to figure out how we can make this food safe. I don't know what I have to do. We're gonna paint it, maybe put some type of I don't know, some type of paint that would seal it, make it waterproof, and make it food safe. But this is in the developmental stage, fam. But check it out. Boom. And the only reason it's not sturdy is because of the ground. But y'all get the idea. Bam. 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 Oh yeah. Bam. Look at that fella profile. All right, fam, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the cleaning, and we will see y'all when it's all said and done. All right, fam, real quick, let me explain what's going on. First and foremost, we finally got the entire place to ourselves. Man, that's a log, it looks like an alligator. Anyway, we finally got the place all to ourselves. My phone, I had to go home because I laid that catfish on the table, got ready to pull out my knife to fillet him, and I forgot the blades in the Jeep. That won't be an issue again because I'll be ordering a completely new Temu knife come this afternoon. All right, family. The camera is at about 36%. That's my backup phone that I film with. I have my other one my day-to-day phone, it's at about 50%, so let's get started. While I was home, I caught 2 crab yesterday. It's not a lot, but I want to show y'all how I cook crab. So I have my Seth McGinnis. He's a guy out of Florida. I follow a guy by the name of Blue Gabe, and they're good friends, and he uses his can cookers all the time. This is the smaller version of a can cooker. There's a bigger one. This is simply like not a pressure cooker because it has a relief hole in the top. You fill this thing with water, which I've already done. I'm gonna put some crab ball in the water, heaping probably about a cup full at least. We're gonna put it in, we're gonna start the water to boil. When the water comes up through this hole, it's ready to put in your ingredients. I'll throw the 2 crabs in there, and I'll put the crab ball, I'll put the 2 crabs in, and we'll get that started. In the meantime, while we're waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and fillet those fish. YouTube does not like to see blood and gore, so with that being said, I will be filleting off camera. That will also help us to save battery life. Fam, a quick amateur, when you're loading one of these, I did it before with the battery in and I accidentally hit the trigger. Somehow I hit it with the lock. Boom. I hit it with the lock off and it started. Didn't hurt myself, but just make sure you load this thing with the battery out. Boom. There we have it. All right, fam, I'm gonna go ahead and cut y'all off so we can reserve battery power. We're gonna go ahead and get this started. I'm cooking on the tailgate. I was gonna cook up here, but that's a little high for what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and get this fire started. Boom. Once that comes to a boil, I'll bring y'all back in when I get ready to throw the crab in. All right, family. All right, fam. Y'all see the steam coming out of there? Out of Mr. Can Cooker. I think y'all can see that on camera. Boom. It means it's time. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these shrimp. Go ahead and throw these 2 crab in. We already got the crab ball in. Let's see what we're working with, fam. Y'all stand by. I think I got this thing from Amazon. I've had it now for probably 3 years. You have to order these separate, these little handles, and they're actually, you can pick it up and touch it. They're still warm. Ooh, that thing's hot, actually. But those are supposed to help you be able to lift this thing. But I would not do it. All right, fam, so we're gonna go ahead and drop these boys in for maybe 3 or 4 minutes, fam. Ooh, yeah. Put that lid back on. All right, fam, we're almost out of battery life. All right, fam, we're almost out of battery life, but 2 days of work came down to this. What's that, 4, 5, no, 6. Hold up, that's 4 catfish, 8 fillets, something like that, and 3 crappie. We field dressed the crappie, we call it. We cut the heads off, pull the guts out, scale them 90% or so, and the rest when we get home, we'll take our thumb under some water, finish scaling them, Boom, and we're good to go. Fam, this has been done now. The can cooker has been done now for about 10 or 15 minutes. Normally, I will let those soak. The longer you let them soak in that crab ball, the more that seasoning they suck up and the better they are. So fam, we do not have tongs. So, let's see what we're working with. Take a knife. Bam. Booyah. It's the rubber gasket that goes on the can cooker to help to seal it. Boom. All right, fam. There it is, baby. Probably one of the most unusual catch cleaning cooks you've ever seen, that you ever will see. On our portable filet table. Fam, the filet table, that's a dog bed, it's a stepping stool, and it's a filet table. All in one. Bam. If I can figure out a way to make this thing some storage, it's on and popping. All right, fam, so we're gonna go ahead and bring this one in for a landing. Bam, check that out. Boom, peel that top off. Take those lungs out. It's a little hot right now. But since we're limited on camera time, I thought I'd go ahead and bring this thing in for a landing. Both of these are those male? I think that's the way they work. The carapace is bigger on them. I think these are both female. All right, fam. Well, anyway, the car door slam. Anyway, fam, we're gonna go ahead and bring this video in for a landing. We're gonna go ahead and put these fillet in a Ziploc bag, put them back on ice in the cooler, and put these in a separate bag, finish cleaning them when we get home, and we're gonna bring this one in for a landing. So fam, the next time you see us, we'll probably be back at the saltwater barrier again. Really like what's going on right there right now, and we kind of like the direction that the channel is going in. And once again, not sponsored, but I will put a link to this can cooker in my in the description below. So fam, if y'all enjoyed this video, y'all give your boy a thumbs up. I know it's all over the place, but that's what we do, baby. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos.